Hey everyone, this is SuperTales22 and we're back with another gameplay video, and this time we're doing Super Mario Party.
Oh yeah, we're playing Super Mario Party today. Yahoo!
Oh, I'm excited for this one.
And we already picked who's going to be playing. It's going to be Waluigi, Yoshi, Daisy, and myself.
Oh, I get to be playing this one too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry. I was just looking at my dress.
Oh, Waluigi accidentally walked out of here. We're going to be doing soundstage. In hopes of Waluigi winning. Okay, we're just standing at the TV. Okay, I'm excited to play this, aren't you, Waluigi?
Waluigi's excited to play this.
Oh, I'm excited to see you kick their butts, Waluigi. Okay, here we go.
Oh, I'm excited for this one. I'm really excited.
Okay, let's skip this. Okay, let's do normal.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Alright, here we go. Hey there.
Let's go.
Here I go. Oh yeah, we're all here. Oh yeah. Oof. Looks like Waluigi already did it.
Trying to film out of there we go.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Waluigi.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Waluigi time.
Okay, what's the first one going to be? Oh, All-Star Swingers. I'm not sure if we've done this before. Oh, okay. Here we go.
Oh, I missed that one.
Oh, Yoshi. Oh, Waluigi missed it too. Had to hit it. Had to hit it right on time. Oh, it's a red one. Oh. I think the red ones are worth more. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, I hit that one.
Oh, there's a mushroom.
I missed that one.
Mamma mia. Oh well, next minigame. Clearing the table. Have to pull out the tablecloth. It's that table trick. Do you think you can do that, Waluigi?
Of course I can.
Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, Waluigi screwed up.
I'm doing so great.
Oh.
Oh, I knocked it over.
Oh.
Keep knocking mine over.
Oh, Waluigi. Oh, this toppled over. Mamma mia. Okay, let's see if we do any feather on the hoof. Oh, we have to pull the lanes. Oh, okay.
Oh. Like that.
Okay. At the beat here. Oh.
Oh, I keep doing terribly.
Waluigi's
This
doing
is
good.
fun.
Now they hide the score.
Oh.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. And all that. Huh.
Oh. Oh, Waluigi, look at you.
Oh, mamma mia. She's doing great.
Oh, wow. Let's see who wins.
Oh, that was fun riding that horse there.
Oh,
Sweet.
yeah.
There's a...
Okay, let's see who wins. Oh, I wonder who the winner is.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Well, I guess we'll have to find out.
I'm excited to see.
Who's it going to be?
Oh,
Oh, you won!
Waluigi's number one.
Ooh, smooth.
Wow.
Smooth moves, Waluigi. Well, Waluigi won.
Take
Wow.
that.
I liked your dance move at the end.
That was fancy dancing, Waluigi. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, it sure was, Waluigi.
Well, that was fun.
Oh yeah, especially Waluigi at the end. I like his little moonwalk.
That was kind of funny.
Oh, I enjoyed it.
Oh, yeah.
You did it, Waluigi. You did it. Wow.
Meh.
Yes, you did it. You're the winner.
That was really fun.
Oh yeah, I enjoyed watching Waluigi kick some butt out there.
It was fun having me play too. It's always fun to play Soundstage.
Well yeah, soundstage is a pretty fun mode.
Well, I'll say.
Oh yeah, it really is. When Waluigi is near.
Wah.
Well, anyways, that'll pretty much cap off this gameplay, so make sure to leave a like on this video, that'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss videos like this. So, see you guys in the next video. See you soon.
See you later.
When Luigi is out.
Bye bye and have a rotten day. Bye bye.